Hi everybody, this is your happy wife, happy life with my dog, my Baloo. My Baloo is always following me wherever I go, even just in the sala, in the kitchen, or upstairs. Anyway, so in today's video, I'm going to share you another exercise with my friend. Usually, we're going to do this on the terrace upstairs because I put some plants on the terrace and the terrace kind of lively now. Before it was empty, but now I put some plants on it, but we could not do it there because a lot of wind.
My video is for YouTube, her video is for TikTok.
Yeah.
Sometimes if you do in TikTok like dancing or exercise and you don't like the first take, so you do it again, TikTok, take 3 until you're happy for the result. So it's
Yeah.
kind of exercise having a TikTok or doing in TikTok.
So today we're doing some exercise on our sala.
Diba? Simple.
May ganun na, sexy mo nga eh.
Here in our stairway, we also do some easy exercise. Actually, it's not easy because we're getting old. We're over 40, so it's not easy. Sometimes we saw it in a video, it's kind of easy, but when we do it, it's not easy. Okay, so let's start.
And I also do jumping rope. Usually now I do it every day, my jumping rope and my hula hoop. But it's not easy because I am 45-year-old and it's not easy to jump, it's not easy to do a hula hoop. But But it's just a kind of practicing. I do practice every day. Even I get too tired, I keep doing it because I want to know. I want to know more moves and I want to get more energy. And of course, it's more healthy. I follow this friend in YouTube. Yes, she's only 31-year-old, but she really very good on jumping rope. Jumping rope. I kind of copy on her every day. I try to do jumping, even just 30 jump. I really like it. And I love to do this. It's not because I like to do jumping rope, I like to do hula hoop, but of course, it's nice to our body, to our health. So, let's get fit and healthy. Thank you for watching my video, and now it's time to click in here in my face to subscribe my channel. But if you don't have a Google account, you can click this video and I can show you how to make one. You can also watch my other videos by clicking in there. Thank you. Have a nice day.